Hey everybody, good morning. It's Saturday and I thought that I would record this early. That's why, it's a little foggy out here. Thought I'd come out to the pond, just kind of see, get away from the house so I wasn't bothering anybody else. Just to say that it is Saturday. And the reason I'm doing this early is so that I can do it, get it done, so that I can spend the rest of the day with family. Whether that family is the family that lives in your house, extended family that might live around you, or that group of friends that you consider family. Building relationships in your personal life is more important than developing them in your business life. Now, that's not to discount your business life. Relationships are important, especially when it comes to sales and marketing. Nobody likes to buy anything from somebody that they don't have a relationship. They would much more prefer to buy something from somebody they have a relationship with. But all of those business relationships aren't going to matter if you aren't fostering the relationships with your family and friends. So let's go out and do that today. Let's go have some fun. It's the weekend. So let's do that. I'll be probably filming, some of the fun things that maybe we do throughout the day. I do have to pack because I am leaving for Vegas tomorrow. So if any of you are going to CompTIA ChannelCon, I will see you there. Hope to see lots of people there, but for now, it's the weekend. Go have fun. Let's crush this thing. See ya. Oh, and hey, don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that dislike button if you didn't like it, but if you do, go ahead and tell me why in the comments. Click that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks. Have an awesome day. Okay, well, so funny story. Yes, we had plans to do some fun stuff today, maybe go fishing, do a couple of different things today. But, plans change. So we ended up spending most of the day either driving a kid somewhere or looking for a car or, well, driving kids somewhere. So not a whole lot of chance to take video today. Hope you guys had fun. See you in the next one. Oh, and hey, if any of you guys are going to ChannelCon, I'll see you there.